long piece of fabric na mako-cover yung front part tsaka back part nung magiging cover up or dress natin. Then, if you have this, so just measure how tall you are. Okay? And then, afterwards, we will cut it in 3 pieces. Okay? This is the third part. The first and second part must have the same width and length. Again, yung length na to, dapat mako-cover yung height mo back and forth na. So, parang kung ito ka as a person, so mako-cover niya itong likod hanggang harap mo pa ganyan siya. Okay. Tapos, this piece, the third piece, will be used for the lining sa gilid, tapos i-braid natin siya. Kaya, yan. Alright. So, yan yung unang way. The second way is, if you don't have this long piece or strip of fabric, you can have 2 pieces. Okay, just make sure that this and this one has the same size. Alright, so ganun pa rin, we'll cut the fabric in small pieces. Okay. So, pag dudugtungin lang natin tong 1, tsaka 1.1 and 1.2, tapos yung 2.1 and 2.2. But just remember that 1.1 and 1.2 and 2.1 and 2.2 must have the same width and length. Okay, so yung 3 naman, 3.1 and 3.2 will be used for the braided lining. Alright, tapos pag dudugtungin natin sila together, here, yung ends nila, para makabuo tayo ng isang strip, long strip of fabric, na mako-cover yung front and back part ng katawan nyo. Now, paano nyo siya i-attach? So, ang ginawa ko kasi ay yung ito, pattern B. So, merong tahe or dikit yung fabrics ko here sa shoulder part. Yan, parang ganyan yung itsura niya. So, what I did is, I measured my shoulder until sa part na gusto kong makikita sa beach. So, medyo siya sa baba ng chest or breast area ko. So, dito ko siya in-start, idikit, or itahe. Tapos, this one will be left open, this area, para kapag naglalakad ako, may flowy effect siya. So, sa armhole naman, it depends rin sa'yo kung gaano kaluwag yung gusto mong armhole. Usually, mas maluwag, mas maganda para sa flowy effect. Tapos, itong part na to, tsaka ito yung pagdidikitin. Tapos, tatahiin mo lang rin ng dito, tapos magiging slit na yung side na to. Depende rin sa'yo on how high or low your slit you want your slit to be. Pero, the higher the slit, the better. Kasi nga, nasa beach ka and mas comfortable maglakad kapag flowy yung fabric. Tsaka kapag mahangin, mas maganda siya. Tapos, sa back part, yun din yung gagawin mo. Tahiin mo lang rin siya or idikit dito. So, basically, yung mga idinikit or tinahi natin ay yung shoulder areas para magdikit yung long strips of fabric sa dalawa, sa magkabila armholes, tapos yung front and back part. Tapos, seams na lang kung nagfe-fray yung fabric. you.